Hi, my name is Steven. Today I'll be trading with the strategy that brought me almost $6,200 in profit in the previous trading session. It's simple to set up, but it delivers surprisingly accurate signals, especially during moments when the market seems quiet. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use it, how I organize the perfect entry moment, and why this strategy is so consistent. Stay until the end. The most powerful setup of the entire session is waiting for you there. Thank you for subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Let's begin. First of all, let's prepare the tools we'll need. I'm using classic candlesticks with a 30-second time frame. Then go to the indicators tab and select Bollinger Bands and Parabolic ACR. Let's set up the Bollinger Bands first. Set the period to 2, deviation to 2 as well. Then go to style, set the background to white, set the middle line width to 2, and move opacity slider to the right. Then turn off the top and bottom lines and then click save. Now let's set up the Parabolic ACR. Acceleration 0.03, maximum acceleration 0.3. Then go to style, set the main line to yellow, width 2, and then click save. The indicators are ready. Friend, if you're trading on your phone, set up everything the same way. Want to trade with a clear system? In my Telegram, you'll get access to my account, copy trading, daily market levels, and strategies that are exclusive. All materials are free. I don't charge for entry. I never touch your capital. The number of spots is limited to maintain quality. So if you want to join the next group, message me in advance. I started the trading cycle with a clear initial signal. Expiration is 1 minute and I'm opening a sell trade for $87. Now I'll explain in detail how this strategy works and why its signals are so easy to recognize. The first key reference is the Parabolic ACR. When two dots appear above the candles in a row, it's a clear sign that the market has changed direction and moved into a downtrend. These dots are visually distinct and appear only when momentum shifts and sellers begin to take control. This is an early but very reliable signal that bearish trend is starting to form. Next, we move to the second confirmation, which comes from the candles themselves together with the Bollinger Bands. If you look at the structure, you'll see the candles crossing the turquoise middle line from top to bottom. This shows that the downward move is not random, it's supported by overall volatility. Crossing the middle line confirms that the market is truly shifting downward and that the impulse is developing smoothly and consistently. The first entry is successful. I log in $80 in profit and continue watching the charts. After a short pause, the next setup forms. Expiration is 1 minute and I'm opening a buy trade for $167. After a small pullback, the market seems to gather strength and begins to rise confidently. Candles become more expressive, their bodies grow denser, and the movement develops calmly and consistently. You can clearly see buyers regaining control. Each upward push forms smoothly without chaotic spikes, making the structure especially clean. The bullish impulse looks stable and the chart rises evenly. The dynamics are neat and the direction is easy to read. All of this suggests that the market has recovered from the correction and is now continuing its growth in a logical and natural way. Friend, if you still have any questions after watching the video, feel free to message me privately on Telegram and I'll be happy to help. Excellent result, another $153 in profit. Moving on to the next situation. Next, the market presents a new situation with a 1-minute expiration. I'm opening a buy trade for $680. The movement clearly looks weak. The structure is uneven, candles form without a clear rhythm, and the overall dynamics show that the market lacks confidence in the current direction. Just by observing the chart's behavior, you can already assume that this trade may turn out to be a losing one. There is not enough momentum and the market sentiment is unstable. The parabolic ACR also highlights this uncertainty. Only a single dot appears, which is not enough to consider the signal reliable. For confidence, we need at least 2 or 3 dots in a row to confirm that the indicator truly supports the direction. In moments like this, caution is the best decision. The market hasn't formed a clear structure yet, and rushed actions can easily lead to unnecessary risks. And that's exactly what happens. I lock in a loss. You've just seen a losing trade and a possible mistake that you might accidentally make in your own trading. Let's continue. The final entry forms after a clear reversal downward. Timer set to 1 minute and I'm opening a sell trade for $1,590. The price sharply hits resistance and the reaction is almost immediate. The market doesn't just slow down, it instantly reverses and moves into a confident downtrend. From the very first red candles, it's clear that sellers are taking control. Candle bodies become directional and the movement gains a steady downward slope, and the impulse forms cleanly without excessive volatility. Candles stretch in a consistent chain, each one continuing the previous move and forming a neat, readable bearish structure. The signal looks truly clean, no noise, no random spikes, just a smooth, logical market move. In such situation, the direction is read perfectly and the downtrend shows maximum confidence. A perfect finish. I lock in $1,462 in profit. The balance rises to $3,052. Let's sum the session up. I'm more than satisfied with this session. My balance grew from $87 all the way to $3,052. If you have questions about the strategy or you want to understand it more deeply, don't hesitate to message me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help. Thanks a lot for watching and liking the video. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time.